Well, I finally got a build video done in office hours. There's a few staff members still around the workshop doing their thing, but behind me is a 6.5 inch 37, 13.5, 18s on a brand new Chevy 2500. We do have to add flares to this one. And if you're interstate, this one can get done to this form, transferred back into your state for registration. And just remember, if you can't get your vehicle into Big Dog Builds, we can help transport the vehicle interstate, get it into the workshop, fly in once it's done, get a full handover with the team. You can have a big, good looking truck just like this one here. And if big trucks aren't for you, just remember, we can do every single size build, whether that be the leveling essentials kit or something big with good road presence, just like this one here. There's not a lot done, but let's go for a quick walk around because I love a clean, big, good looking black Chevy. When it comes to the Chevy 2500, like I said, this one here has got the 6.5 inch lift. It's got the 37, 13.5 inch Toyo MT tyres on the KMC Impact Neg 12 wheels. So being an 18/9 -12, that wheel is pushing outside the guard. We do have some flares coming for this one. I am about to get kicked out of the workshop because the flares are over there getting prepared right now. This man right here is actually the one who gets all the parts ready for the builds. Shout out to Joshy, AKA Ned. And whether that be long range fuel tanks, side steps, Josh is the man when it comes to everything there. And spin around right now as well. We've got Jesus just about to go and get those flares prepped. This one's ready to get trimmed up. Final stages. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit excited. Never here in work time. Usually having to stay back and put in the hours to get these videos out. But I just wanted to grab this one quickly. It is at the last stages of the build, getting some flares installed before it goes onto a truck tomorrow morning. Final QCs will get done. But if you're chasing a big, good-looking Chevy build, whether that be just as a town daily because you want a big truck, let's face it, or if you're wanting to do something that's going to give you a lot more ground clearance, you're going to put a new front bar, the rear bar. It's actually pretty impressive where these things can go with these big lift kits. When it came to a trip out in WA recently, I did see the big ADU Chevy, which runs the same size suspension kit as this one here, go in and out of a dry riverbed. It's the one and only time that I think that truck's needed such a big lift kit, but who doesn't love a big, good looking truck? With this one, you can add the long range fuel tank. I would recommend a set of XL drop down side steps. These factory ones are obviously quite up there. I'll get out a tape measure in a second. We'll see what sort of distance they are off the ground. And the XL side steps will definitely make getting in and out a whole lot easier. But this one is built literally suspension. We've got the wheels, the tires, the flares going onto this one here, and it's shooting out to the customer. He needs it in a heartbeat. It's been waiting patiently out in the car park. It was a squeeze-in job in between others. And I just wanted to quickly get a walk around done because I like a simple build. I'll probably add side steps, maybe tow bar wiring combination to the rear end. Just remember, if you are doing a build like this one here, keeping the tub, your 37 inch spare is gonna have to fit in the back. So if you're wanting to do something that a spare tire does fit up underneath, the 35, 12.5 tire is probably gonna be the smarter option to put in there. But we'll swing around the front end, show you the front end there. Brand new 2025 model. Do you like it? I like it. With the 6.5 BDS suspension kit, you've got that full 6.5 inch lift, the Fox 2.5 remote reservoir shocks. You've got both low speed and high speed adjustability in there as well. When the vehicles are quite big like this one here, it does make getting in and out over that tire a whole lot easier. And with the CV angles on these bigger lift kits, it actually goes back to being quite close to stock as well. So that's a good thing there. With this one, what I would be doing would be adding the new Big Dog Builds underbonnet fuse panel setup underneath the hood. I'd also be looking at doing the electric side steps for sure. The factory bumper, I do like a factory bumper, but we've got a few different options when it comes to front end protection. Whether you're wanting to add lights on the front, winch on the front, you name it, we've got multiple different options when it comes to that sort of setup in the front end there. We can do a hidden winch in this factory bumper, do LED lights behind the grille, for example. but adding the Big Dog Builds accessory rack with the Switch Pro, you're gonna have power. You've also got the under-seat battery setup that we can run in this model here. If you're wanting a big, tough daily, this is the perfect bare bones package to start with. As a stage 1 option, this approach could suit you perfectly. Go and run the vehicle in, come back in, and we'll get into all the electronics. That's what's happening to this vehicle for stage 2. Your Switch Pros, your under-seat battery setups, roof racks, lighting, front bars, tow bar wiring to the rear end. All of these Chevy 2500s will hook up to a Caravan unless it needs Red Anderson plug to have the brakes work on the Caravan itself. Most of the big brands mean you can plug into the factory 12-pin plug that comes standard on the vehicle and you can hit the road, travel straight away. In stock form, they're not too bad, but doing something like this is gonna ride a whole lot better. That's the man right there, the man of the shed. And Jade's just carrying around a box because she wanted to stay in for a video today as well. But that's it, guys. If you're interstate, like I said, we can help get your vehicle up into Big Dog Builds. And if you like a bare bones build like this one here with the essentials done, check this video out. If you want to see these things boogie up the beach, this season here is one to watch. And these 2 videos down below, definitely have a watch of them as well.